Hey yo, what's up guys, welcome to another video. And to this video I'm very happy, I'm very excited for we are testing our CNC machine. I prepared something different. I didn't want to test it on wood, so I prepared something. I want to test it for PCB milling. These are the copper clads I bought, these ones. So I bought some copper clads for testing, and because I want to test its accuracy and its precision, so that's what I want to test. So there's something I'm just doubting, whether this Y-axis gantry can withstand all this mass with the power supply at the back here and the cables here, and you know the weight also of the MDF is very weighty, so I don't know whether it will withstand, but I know for the PCBs it can withstand. So hopefully, yeah, I'm hoping for the best. So guys, before I finish the introduction video, so guys, if you are new to the channel, click that subscribe button, share my project with your friends, and God bless you very much. So guys, keep it locked, keep watching. I love you guys. So let me show you a small video of the cable management and everything as it is just close to. So guys, hope you will enjoy the video.